Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this tutorial, we are going to be learning how to add money to your Epic Games wallet. You can easily add funds to your Epic Games wallet in two different ways. The first way is to select the item you want to purchase from Epic Games, and when you proceed to checkout, you will have the options to add fund to your wallet. Another way is through account management. In order to do it with account management, first of all, open your Epic Games account. Open up a web browser and sign into store.epicgames.com. Once you're logged into your account, go to the upper right corner and click on your profile picture. From the menu, click on Epic Wallet. This will open up your payment management section. Go ahead and click on Add Funds to Wallet option on the right hand side. Choose the amount you want to add from the menu and then select your method of payment at the bottom. Select either credit card or PayPal and follow through the instructions. Make sure you log into your PayPal account or enter your credit card information, and soon after you do that, you will be able to add money to Epic Games wallet. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.